guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You can probably see that we're in a little bit of a different environment right now than the usual one. We are gonna switch things up a little bit and I'm gonna try vlogging, I guess. I don't know, I've never done this before, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm honestly like a pretty private person. I know that I put myself out on the internet with beauty tutorials and that, but other than that, like I'm pretty just well reserved. There's nothing really extravagant about my life, so I never really thought to do vlogging. I thought it would just bore you guys, to be honest. But we're gonna give it a try because I have had a few people request this kind of content. So we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. If you like it, definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I do wanna mention my dogs are kind of going crazy right now. So if you hear tapping or barking, that's them. I have corgis, they're crazy. There's no way around it. So hopefully I can edit it out as much as possible. Today we are going to be decorating my house for Christmas. I actually should have done this a long time ago. I don't know why it's taking me so long. Probably just like the 2020 mood or something. I normally decorate like before Thanksgiving. So decorating 10 days before Christmas is not like me at all. That's what today's video is gonna be. Just gonna be decorating my house and trying to attempt this vlog. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me turn my house into a Christmas wonderland, just keep watching. So before I start decorating, I gotta get into the holiday spirit. So I'm gonna make some sugar cookies. These are my favorite sugar cookies. They're like the cheap ones from Pillsbury. I got the cute little reindeer sign. They have these, I think, every holiday. I get them for Halloween, Christmas, you name it, they have it. I love them. Oh, and you can eat these raw, like so good. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven real quick, and then I'm gonna make some hot chocolate and get to decorating.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love.
This is the hot chocolate I use. It's the Ghirardelli double chocolate hot cocoa mix. It's so good. It kind of has like a dark chocolate taste to it. I love it. You know, I don't have one of those fancy hot cocoa bars. I kind of have it simple, but I mean, this is kind of fancy, right? Maybe? I don't know. I normally use almond milk for my hot chocolate, but I just ran out, so I'm gonna go ahead and use regular milk.
I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk. We can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is...
Okay, got my cookies. These actually, now that I think about it, these look really deformed. They're super cute. They're supposed to be reindeer, but what is going on with that mouth? Is it supposed to be a heart? I don't know. We dip it in the hot chocolate. Delicious. My dogs are giving me like the serious puppy dog eyes right now. How can you resist those faces? I'll get you guys a treat in a second. All right, I'm just gonna go in the room and kind of show you everything that I have right now out. So these pillows right here I got from Amazon. I actually got a lot of this from Amazon. The rug and the table I just got for my birthday from Amazon. Really love those. I will link them down below. But these pillows I got, they're actually just kind of like covers for pillows. They're canvas and really easy to clean. My husband already spilt some ketchup somewhere on Santa and it was super easy to wipe off. The covers are right here, and then I bought some down comforter, or not down comforter, like down pillows, so they're just inserts. It also came with these two. I think it was like 4 pillowcases for $12, or at least when I got them. And then, yeah, so that's that. Oh, I forgot. I forgot this is up here. My husband's birthday was on the 9th, and then mine was on the 14th. 30 was a pretty big milestone. I had so many plans for it. I've actually been planning like what I wanted to do for years, and just because it's 2020, nothing was planned, and I couldn't do anything that I wanted to do. So I just kind of decorated the house, got all kinds of decorations, and did like a little one-man birthday party to try to make him feel special on the day. Like 30 is a pretty big milestone, and he was definitely feeling some type of way about it, but I think we had a good time. And then my birthday is actually 5 days after his, so Christmas season is a big season for us. We got my birthday, his birthday, Christmas, pretty much every single birthday in my family's at the end of the year or in February. It's ridiculous. Busy time of the year, but it's still my favorite time. So yeah, I got that signed for him, and now I need to take it down. I actually haven't really shown him to you guys. My husband is pretty, I don't know, shy, so he hasn't really wanted to participate in any of the videos, but we always decorate the tree together every single year, so I'm hoping that he'll participate. We'll see. This is all of my Christmas decorations. I kind of just collect things over the years and reuse them. I know some people are very fortunate and they can just get new stuff every year, but I've collected a lot of stuff. Some of this is stuff that I bought. Some of it is stuff that was passed down for me from families. Everything's in tubs. I'm gonna pull it out here in a second and start going through it, but I think this one is my favorite. I got this at Target. It's a corgi. How cute is that? It lights up too. I'm gonna put this next to the Christmas tree here soon. Some of this stuff I can possibly link down in the description. If I can figure out where I got it and it's still available, I'll list it down below. But a lot of this is just stuff that I've collected over the years, so a lot of it is probably not going to be available anymore. This is one of my favorites too. It's a mailbox, and I thought this would be really cool when I have kids one day. You know, they can put their letters inside there to Santa and then send it away. But yeah, that's super cute, isn't it? Oh, I'm so excited to start decorating. Okay, let's jump into it. All right, so you can probably tell that it's a new day outside. Last night, my husband came home with dinner and I tried like vlogging it before I started decorating. Realized my phone ran out of storage and everything that I was recording didn't record. I got frustrated and tired, to be honest. So I just decided to call it a night and try again today. So we're just gonna pick up where we left off and start decorating.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging more.
Just pulling everything out right now. I got all of my kind of like knickknacks over here. I just gotta figure out where I want to put them. You guys probably can tell that I love pigs by now from all of my decor. I'm gonna show you this one because it's so funny. I'm actually probably gonna have to mute it so I don't get copyrighted, but watch. That's so funny. I have no idea where to start. I think I'm actually gonna start with the fireplace. This is like a one of those electric fireplaces. Let me turn it on. So I just kind of like hang stuff right there on the side. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything on the coffee table. It used to be right here, but it was kind of too big for the space in between. So I got a smaller one. And this one's kind of just like in limbo, waiting to be sold or whatever I do with it.
Our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Have you ever seen The Christmas Story? You know how in that movie there's like the leg lamp that the husband absolutely loves and it's such an eyesore. Everybody hates it except for him. Well, when I first went Christmas shopping and me and my husband were kind of starting to get our collection together, I told him he could pick one thing that he really liked, or, you know, pick something that you want. And you know what he picked? He picked this, a skiing dog. This is my leg lamp. I cannot stand this thing. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. Yes, it's a dog, so like it should be cute and everything, but I don't know why. This thing just drives me crazy. And he really, really wanted it. So we got it.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold.
All right, so here is my stair railing. I kind of went through this really fast and didn't really record much of it because I was getting pretty tired and I figured this video is going to be already long as it is. I got all of this, this I think I got at Michael's a couple years ago. This was from Target. And then all of these little ornaments were actually from the Dollar Tree. They're super cute. But yeah, all of these I got at the Dollar Tree. This is the finished look for the Christmas tree. This is the light up corgi. I'll turn it around so you guys can see it, but I have it facing out the window because for some reason, if it's facing towards their living room, the dogs go crazy. They think it's another dog and they just sit there and bark at it all day. But all of this wrapping paper I got at the Dollar Tree too. This one is so cute. I love it. I bought like 5 of them because I think it's so adorable. Normally every year for Christmas, we actually go to a Christmas tree farm and we go and get our Christmas tree there. We cut it down ourselves and bring it home. But this year, pretty much all of the Christmas tree farms in my area were closed or really expensive. So we ended up just going to one of those stands like on the side of the road or at a parking lot or whatever and getting the tree there. But it was really expensive there too. My dad paid $80 for his Christmas tree and it didn't even look that good. I remember just a couple years ago I was paying like $30 or $25 for a Christmas tree. They are expensive this year. I guess, how much do you guys normally pay for your Christmas trees? If you get like a real one, not a fake one at the store, if you go get a Christmas tree at a farm or a parking lot, how much do you normally pay? Curious. All right, that's it for my holiday decorating vlog. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching my first attempt at vlogging. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. You can go ahead and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos too. If you did happen to like this video, let me know down in the comments what you liked and I can try to create more content like this in the future. I will definitely continue to do beauty tutorials and reviews and stuff like that, but every once in a while maybe we can switch things up a little bit and try videos like this if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great holiday season and I'll see you next time. Bye.